Good morning class, this is your computer class and today we are going to read chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is Introduction to MS Access. Okay, in this chapter you will learn about what is MS Access and how it works. Okay, so now let's begin. So as we store information in the form of text in MS Word or in a spreadsheet. Okay. In MS Excel, in the same way, a table that stores information can be stored in a database. Okay, a database software package is a tool for organizing data for retrieving meaningful information. Okay, database can store information about people, products, orders or anything else. Okay, many times you start keeping records for keeping information as a list in a word processing program or a spreadsheet. As the list grows bigger, redundancies and inconsistencies begin to appear in the data. It becomes difficult to understand data in a list form and there are limited ways to searching data for review once these problems start. Okay, to appear, it's a good idea to transfer data to a database or created via relational database system or a DBMS, such as MS Access allows you to create, range and manage large amount of information to after create and access database. You can search any information, manipulate it and extract information from it to prepare required reports. So this is the introduction of MS Access, how it works. Okay, so database is a collection of data. It is a computer program that stores information in an organized way. It is used to store different types of data such as text, numbers, pictures, sounds, videos, etc. Now, relational database management system. In short form, we call it RDBMS. Okay. Relational database management system is a type of database software which stores data in form of related tables. In related tables, one or more fields in one table are linked to fields in another table. This links ensures that you can enter only those values that have corresponding entries in another table. Okay, the concept of relational data was given by E.F. Codd at IBM in 1970. Okay, today there are many companies which have created and marketed their database software in the market. Some of the popular relational database management systems include Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL or Oracle. Okay, Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system that allows the user to create a relational database and then access, retrieve and use the data in it. Access facilities creation of database in several ways. Manage database structure, import and export, creation of database in several ways. Database from to various data sources and file formats. backup, restore, and perform other operations in easy to use graphical user interface. Now there is instructions given for Microsoft Access, how to open it, creating a database, and some instructions are given. Okay, so